Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find items by categories in Temu. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just simply look at the bottom of the screen and press on categories there. Now here you can find many different kind of categories like home and kitchen, women's clothing, women's shoes and everything else. And you can just simply press on a category and you will be able to find items in that specific category. These categories also adjust to your searches, basically to your previous searches, and you will be able to find items more easily like that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.